This Weston Youth Innovation Award is such an important prize and an event for, like I said, not only for the Science Center, but for the future of innovation in this country. This award that started, like I said, 11 years ago to commemorate a very generous donation that the Weston Foundation made to the Ontario Science Center. This is so important because this has been the nucleus of what is today one of our main strategic pillars, which is youth innovation. The winners, so we have Jack Cerrone and Abdullah Hadi. They developed a computer program that runs the robot that uses artificial intelligence to predict forest fires. And next I'll invite Riya Karumanchi. She invented a smart cane. It's a device that uses GPS sensors and feedback and computer vision to help the visually impaired navigate their surroundings. Congratulations. Jonathan Levesque from Quebec, he created, believe it or not, a robotic heart that actually adjusts its pumping speed to individual conditions. And that's something that existing artificial hearts don't have. Now, he couldn't come from Quebec, but we thank him, congratulate him, and for his presentation. The future of the economy and prosperity of Canada, and really of any country in the innovation economy, depends on its youth, and it depends on the innovation that they can bring to bear.
It's a great pleasure for me to be here to represent a very large family and the foundation that was started by my parents 60 years ago. We're a little bit older than the Science Center. But we have given our mandate is to help Canadians within Canada. And we're strong in medical research, and we're strong in scholarships across Canada. Our other interest is in the environment. So I think today's winner, I'm thrilled with Stella's prize, because she represents not only the Foundation's interest in education, but particularly in innovation. And the scholarships that we've given in the past are usually for community work or for academic success, but Stella embodies both, I would say, and I'm most pleased to represent the rest of my family in giving her the award today. First prize. Can I say first prize already? Yes.
Nicolas Fedrigo, our second place winner, is from Victoria, BC. He's such an example of applied creativity, ingenuity, and dedication. Nicolas worked at his kitchen counter to invent a sensor-enabled pedestal probe, an improved surgical tool that should prevent vertebral breaches from occurring during spinal fusion surgery.
I'm Jack.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And I'm still on the Science Center. I'm delighted that I was part of the jury. I was so impressed with your work. I really felt that I wasted my more.